Are you sure that's not how you break it?
That might be how you break it, but I already broke one of them.
John Robert.
Well, I mean, they're fun, Mandy. I can't help it.
I know, but they're for kids. Not for grown men to like pop wheelies.
I mean, you got to
You're like, you do it like this.
Watch this, Mommy.
I'm watching, baby. What? What does that move?
Show her. Show her. Do it.
Oh, wow. Whoa.
They gave him a shirt today.
They told me the Disneyland shirt. They were like, we gave your baby a Disneyland shirt. He is gorgeous. Well, are we out of here?
Not yet.
Are you going to do it one more time?
I don't want to be captured.
See if you do backwards.
Are you going to capture it if I do it? She's like, no. Do it, Hannah.
I can do it backwards.
Let's do it together.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
No, it's not that hard. It's just fun.
Which way are you going? You got to go backwards.
Okay.
No, you go backwards. I'll go forward.
You guys are going opposite. Alright.
Hey, wanna come look at my Halloween decoration?
Sure.
Wait.
Well, Hannah tries that.
Come on.
Oh, did you do this?
Looks a little broken.
Wow.
Did you break it?
No, I didn't break it. It's good on it.
No, Mandy. Shut. Oh, no. I broke the last one. Okay. This one I broke like this. That's why I brought it home fixed. Go down the hill. I mean,
You're pretty good, Hannah.
So what's mine?
Go do it.
we're hard on it.
Let's see. I think I can go faster.
Go downhill, Mandy.
Down the hill?
Yeah.
Remember that time we made that movie and you had that wig on that scooter?
Yeah.
You were like,
I was about the stage.
no, you weren't.
Don't tell anybody I really did that stuff when I was old.
Okay.
Not broken, it just got hit. It's got a hit to it.
I got destroyed it.
So you just have to,
Watch out, John. Watch out, Nancy.
you just have to know how to work this thing. Be like, what? Yeah. Then you go backwards.
This is where we fall.
Get back on it, Lawson.
The little
Yeah.
You do.
Vincent is like awesome.
Because he stole that thing like earlier this morning. Hit the car, boom.
Where's the mom and dad?
Dad's gone.
All your crap is in that car.